I just saw the marine mammal rescue team pull up and get their gear on, so I see an orange cone. There's a sea lion. It looks like he could be hurt. So they've got the team here. They've got the mammal rescue team that just pulled up, and they're going to help her. I guess she's been here since yesterday at 4, so they have called, and it's, the lady said it is a female, but she does seem like she's in distress. So I don't know if she's pregnant or if she's been hurt or if it's the water quality, because a lot of birds have been, you know, showing up and sick and dead. So the team is here. They're gonna help it. Oh, she's trying to get up. Aww. Can they be out of water for a long time, like a period of time?
That's what I'm wondering about. It's been like over 16 hours, so no food, no water. We thought, yeah, I know. I was like, there's nothing we can do about dehydration.
Yeah, because you don't want to get close to it.
Yeah. I'm gonna just talk to them.
Okay. Well, we got help. They went to go get more equipment. They got more equipment. They're gonna help it. So they have a net they're gonna use probably to try to scoop it up. I don't know how they're gonna get it up on that thing. They've got their equipment to scoop it up. Poor thing, it's trying to fight. You know what they're doing. I'm surprised they didn't drive their truck down there. Yay! It's been 24 hours, but now you did it. She's in a carriage. Got their hazmat suits on. PPA masks. So they don't get sick. They're thinking it might be the bird virus. Takes a village.
I'm
back on this overlook. Here comes the train. See him? You're gonna hear him. It doesn't come by too often, but you hear it. Let's turn the camera around so we can talk face to face. Okay, I didn't want to mention it before because I didn't want to get anybody in trouble, but there was a van and a motorhome and I believe a pickup truck that has pretty much stayed here for the last 6 months. I mean, they've been here every time. That motorhome had cones out. They hadn't moved. The van would come in the evening and then he would leave in the morning before I even left. So I figured he probably has a job, a local job, and this is where he's staying at night. But I didn't want to say anything in any of my videos because I just, you know, because snitches get stitches. No, because, you know, good for them. You know, they're staying clean, they're staying quiet, they're not disturbing anyone. They have oceanfront property. I mean, times are tough and, you know, they're not bothering anyone. And so I just thought, well, I'm not saying anything on my videos because I don't want somebody to, you know, alert anyone. So anyways, but I knew their time was coming to an end. I just knew it. I kind of felt it. So they're no longer here. So they obviously got told to move along. But to be here like 6 months, right on the coast, unless they went to go resupply and dump and, you know, do all that stuff. But for the van that usually parks behind me to not be here, I know that they got the warning. I just know it. Because he's usually here before I get here. But it's overcast, it's raining, it's going to be raining. And so I just wanted a safe place to land for the night as I travel through. And I'm hoping I don't get the knock on the door. Being that it's spring break, things are busy, I think they wanted to just clear it out. And overlooks are not really a place to stay the night. There's a rest area up behind me, like north, but both sides are packed. So I don't like to take those spots because truckers need those spots. And I've noticed ever since they've opened up that rest area, this has been quiet. So that's nice, but this is okay for just a night, you know, stop over, especially because of the fog and because rain, it's going to be raining. So anyways, I think I'll be all right. I think I'll be all right. I got a guy that just pulled up front. You know, it's so weird. Like guys, it's so different when I watch guys like travel, you know, he just opened up the door, put his chair out, sat down, started taking pictures. Started smoking something, I think a pipe or I don't know, and just was like, you know, la la la. As women, we have to be more careful if we pull up to a place and we're alone. I mean, there's one car at the entrance and there's a truck, you know, but it's like I would never do that. I would kind of like scope it out a little bit. And I wouldn't feel comfortable just sitting outside. Anybody could pull up. Anything can happen. They could push you off the cliff into the train tracks. I'm kidding. But it was different. When I had Roxy, I would go out. You know, but I don't know. Dogs give you a false sense of security, I guess. And I'd always meet people. Anyways, yeah, it's just different watching guys travel. When it's evening like this and, you know, I pull up, I stay inside. I'm in for the night. So speaking of in for the night, I am going to call it a night. It's been a good day, but a long day. And we'll just see where the road takes us. Yeah. Okay. Good night.